It's the LEVOIT Vital 200S Pet Care Replacement Air Filter. This thing is HEPA filtration. It's also activated carbon. So, um, dude, straight up, dude, I've changed out a bunch of air filters, and this is. I'm so glad I went with it. I did product research the other day, looking for a more healthy filter. I have a dog, and we just wanted to clean the air, dude, a lot better than it has been. And dude, this thing's so thick. There's so much to it. It's also very clear how to insert it and everything. But dude, I mean, I was buying just like regular air filters, and this thing's like a total beast compared to those. So I'm excited to try this out. I just bought it the other day, about to install it. But I wanted to talk to you about the reason I went with it because you're trying to figure it out. And basically, the fact that it's activated carbon and it's the HEPA filtration as well. That was the combo for me because, you know, when you have a pet or you have pets, you really want to clean that air. It's really rough. And this thing's nice and thick. And you have that kind of that, what do you call that? That beehive kind of honeycomb vibe on the back. But basically, one over 1,000 people a month can't be wrong, especially when you're getting 4.5 to 5 star ratings. Tons of people are raving about it. There's written reviews talking about how great it is for their home. That's why I went with this when I was looking for a filter. There's tons of them out there. When you consider how good this is and the fact that it is a 2-pack, so I got a second one there. The fact that it's a 2-pack, dude, like you can't take your air for granted. They're trying to take our air away from us. We're trying to take it back.